The Tesla app is central to the Model 3 experience, enabling remote control and monitoring. This video provides a comprehensive guide to linking the app to your Model 3, including recent updates and security enhancements. This guide is accurate as of December 24th, 2025. The linking process allows for access to features like remote diagnostics, climate control, charging management, and software updates, including summoning the vehicle or adjusting the suspension. First, download the Tesla app from the App Store for iOS 15 or later, or from Google Play Store for Android 10 or later. Next, either log in with your existing Tesla.com credentials or create a new account using your email address and a secure password. Remember to enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your smartphone and ensure location services are turned on. These steps are crucial for the initial connection. Power on your Model 3. This ensures the vehicle is ready for the linking process. If possible, connect the vehicle to a Wi-Fi network. This provides a stable connection for the linking process. Open the Tesla app and navigate to Vehicles, then select Add Vehicle. You'll be prompted to either scan the QR code displayed on your Model 3's touchscreen or manually enter the VIN. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the authentication process. To enhance security, Tesla now requires two-factor authentication for linking your account. Ensure you have 2FA enabled in your Tesla account settings before linking. You might be asked to use biometric login, such as Face ID, for added security. This protects your vehicle and data from unauthorized access, which is a key security update implemented in 2025. If you encounter issues during linking, try restarting the Tesla app to refresh the connection. Ensure your Model 3's firmware is up to date via an over-the-air update to maintain compatibility. If problems persist, contact Tesla support through the app's chat feature for expert help. Wi-Fi connectivity issues are common in rural areas, so try using a cellular connection if Wi-Fi is unreliable. After successfully linking your Tesla app to your Model 3, it's important to verify the connection works properly. Start by testing the Remote Start feature. In the app, tap the Remote Start button and confirm your Model 3 begins starting up. Next, test locking and unlocking the doors. Use the lock and unlock buttons in the app and verify the doors respond accordingly. Then, test the climate control feature. Adjust the temperature or turn on the climate system remotely through the app and confirm the changes take effect in your Model 3. If all these features work correctly, your Tesla app is successfully linked to your Model 3. Finally, take some time to explore the app's interface. Navigate through the different sections to familiarize yourself with features like charging management, vehicle diagnostics, and over-the-air updates. Once your Tesla app is linked to your Model 3, you gain access to remote diagnostics. This feature allows you to monitor your vehicle's health and status from anywhere, checking things like tire pressure, battery condition, and system alerts without being near the car. The app also provides comprehensive charging management. You can view charging statistics, track energy usage, and set preferences for when and how your Model 3 charges, including unlimited overnight charging options. Stay up to date with software updates through the app. You can check for available updates, view version details, and set preferences for automatic or advanced updates to keep your Model 3 running with the latest features and security patches. Tesla's integration with xAI's Grok brings powerful AI capabilities to your app. Use voice-activated commands to query your vehicle's status, such as battery levels or charging progress. The AI understands natural language and provides quick responses through the app interface. To take advantage of this AI integration, enable AI features in your app settings. Navigate to the Settings menu, find the AI or xAI section, and toggle on the Grok integration. This unlocks voice commands and smart queries for your Model 3. Tesla app is constantly evolving with AI integration through xAI's Grok AI, allowing voice-activated commands and real-time vehicle status queries. Expanded third-party integrations with Alexa and Google Home allow home-to-car automation, such as preheating your Model 3 based on calendar events. Tesla emphasizes energy-efficient app usage with low-power modes to minimize phone battery drain during extended drives. Enhanced cybersecurity features include quantum secure encryption and quick patching to address emerging cyber threats. Looking ahead, fully autonomous app controls could allow self-parking and automated emergency responses. Tesla is investing $2 billion in app infrastructure by 2027 to support ongoing advancements and user needs.